Oh, hey you! Welcome to my channel. On today's video, we will be recreating a look from Playboy's holiday cover in 1966. This look is great for Christmas and New Year's Eve, but without the Christmas ornament, of course. So yeah, let's get straight to it, shall we? So to begin, we are going to be going in with our Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, or whatever foundation you prefer. Dab a little bit on your face and more if needed. We're going for a very full coverage look since this is a pretty heavy makeup look. So, cover any of your problem spots. Now the Urban Decay All Nighter Full Coverage Concealer. Cover up those dark circles, wrinkles, whatever it is that are your problem areas. And we are going for, a full coverage look for sure. Straight after that, we are going to be going in with the Fenty powder. I really like this powder a lot, and I tend to put it on right away after I put on my concealer to cover up any of the little wrinkles that may come. So I just put it on straight away, and I'm baking my face. So after that, we are going to put on the Morphe concealer palette. I really like their products a lot. They tend to be very cost efficient and work very well. We're going for a more bronzy look because in the 60s, not everyone went for a bronzy look, but in this particular image that we are following, it is a more bronzy look, kind of Brigitte Bardot-esque, and, just a very popular makeup style from that era. Now for the eye primer, we're getting Anastasia eye primer, and I really do enjoy this primer. I've had a lot of good experience with it. Just dab it on. So now we are going for the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. We are going to go into the color green because there are some green undertones in this eyeshadow. So we are going to layer one layer of green on each side of the eye. After that, we're going to be going in with the Pat McGrath palette and going for the metallic blue color. We're going to be putting that over it because the green undertones will come from underneath. This is a technique I have from painting because I'm a painter first before makeup, honestly, but there are so many techniques from painting that you can put into makeup. After that, we're going to be getting just any black shade that you have in your palette, and we are going to be creating a cut crease. And when you mix black with other colors like this, it kind of just makes the color look deeper. So it doesn't even look like black, it just looks blue. And in the 60s, cut creases were just so popular. Everyone wore a cut crease with everything. Anastasia liquid eyeliner. So now we are going to be applying that to our eyes. I always recommend start as thin as you can when it comes to eyeliner because eyeliner isn't really all that forgiving. So give yourself some room to work in if you want to have a more thin eyeliner look. Now we're going to be putting on mascara. Any mascara works. Never be too picky with mascara. Now glow. I love the glow. So I am going to put some on my nose. That just always gives some extra dimension and makes it look all festive. And put glow wherever it is that you would like to put it. Now we are going to be putting in some little lashes to make that extra dimension that gives a 1960s signature look. Let's do it again on this side. As you can tell, I am not the best at doing this, but it just creates the basic effect. Don't judge too hard, guys. And yeah, just comb on through with your mascara. Now lipstick. The lipstick I have is a little too rosy, but I'm making do with what I have. I would recommend going for a more copper lip color. I have this lip gloss that's a little coppery, so I use that. And although this look does look very bronzed, it kind of is the look that she has on the cover. So now onto hair. I let my bangs grow out a little more than they usually are. They're a lot shorter usually, but we're going to make do with what we have. I'm going to be going in with a gold glitter gel. This wasn't my favorite glitter gel, but I made do with what I had. Usually when I use glitter gel, the glitter's a little chunkier, but yeah, I'm gonna make it work. Here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is only like my 4th video, so it's not the greatest, and it is my first makeup tutorial. But I really hope you guys like this and you got some inspiration for your New Year's look. Happy New Year, and yeah, welcome to my channel. It's in the beginning stages, so feel free to subscribe, give me a like, and comment down below any other videos you would like to see. Have a beautiful day. Kisses.